Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is your English teacher Bianca. I am ready to jump into one grammar lesson, but first we will listen to a very short conversation between some people and then we will learn a very useful grammar lesson. Let's get started.
Dogs are so noisy, and they always wreck things. I'm just not an animal lover, I guess.
Well, I'm not either. I'm allergic to dogs and cats, too.
I don't watch much television. No, I don't either. I mean, I watch pro football. Yeah, I do too, but that's about it.
Now third one.
3.
I love shopping. I can shop for hours. Too bad I can't afford anything new.
I know. I can't either. I'm broke.
Yeah, I am too.
Okay guys, let's see. In this conversation, one person says, dogs are so noisy. They always wreck things. I'm just not an animal lover. I'm just not an animal lover. I'm not either. I'm not either. It means I'm not an animal lover too. I don't watch much television. Person B. No, I don't either. No, I don't either. It means I don't watch much television too. Or I watch pro football. I do too. So instead of saying I watch pro football too, which is really long, I can say I do too. Or look at this one. I can't afford anything new. Afford means I cannot give money, I cannot pay for. So I cannot afford anything new. I can't either. It means I cannot afford anything new too. So you can say I can't either. Or you can tell me, for example, one person says, I'm broke. I am too. I am broke too. I am too. That's it. So in this grammar lesson, we just want to learn like this, guys. Responses with to and either. For example, if you tell me, I am happy today, and if I am happy too, I can say, I am too. So for example, you tell me, I am tired today, and I tell you, I am tired too, but it's too long, so I can say, I am too, or me too. I am too, or me too. I'm not tired today. If you are not tired too, you can say, I'm not either. I'm not either. I'm not happy today. I'm not either. What about this one? Look at it, it's with simple present. I go to work every day. And if you go to work every day, you can tell me, I do too. I do too. But why do? Because it's simple present. I go to work. I do too. I study English every day. I do too. I watch TV every day. I do too. But if I say I don't watch TV, you can say I don't either. I don't either. Instead of saying I don't watch TV too, you can say I don't either. I don't either. And the other one with can. I can play volleyball. I can too. Me too. Or I can too. I can play volleyball. I can too. I can't play volleyball. You should say I can't either because it's negative. I can't either. So, one more time. I am too. I do too. I can too. If my sentence is with I am, you should say I am too. I can play volleyball. I can too. I go to work every day. I can too. No, this is wrong. I go to work every day. I do too, right? Because it's simple present. But if it is negative, I'm not tired today. I'm not either. I don't go to work every day. I don't either. I can't play basketball. I can't either. Yes, very good. So this was a very mini grammar lesson, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you like our videos, of course, you can watch our videos again, you can like our videos again, and you can send it to your friends. We will be having more videos about grammar, more videos about phrasal verbs and idioms. Just follow us. Hope to see you next time.